In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit a GIF in Photoshop step by step. If you've ever downloaded a GIF and wanted to add text, change colors, modify frames, or customize the animation, Photoshop makes the process surprisingly easy once you know where everything is. This is perfect for content creators, designers, marketers, or anyone who wants to personalize animated GIFs for social media, websites, or presentations. I'll walk you through opening the GIF, accessing the animation timeline, editing frames, and exporting the finished GIF properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first step is opening your GIF inside Adobe Photoshop. To do this, go to the top menu and click File, then click Open. Navigate to the GIF file on your computer, select it, and click Open. Photoshop will automatically import the GIF as a layered file. Each frame of the animation will appear as a separate layer inside the Layers panel, which is exactly what allows us to edit the animation frame by frame. Once your GIF is open, the next step is enabling the animation timeline so you can actually see the frames of the GIF. Go to the top menu, click Window, and then select Timeline. The Timeline panel will appear at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see each frame of the GIF displayed in order, which represents the animation sequence. You can scroll through the frames to preview how the animation plays. Now comes the fun part, editing the GIF. You can add text, shapes, logos, or graphics directly onto the animation using Photoshop's normal tools. You can also adjust colors by going to Image, then Adjustments, and choosing options like Brightness and Contrast, Hue and Saturation, or Color Balance. If you edit the main layers, the changes can apply across multiple frames, which makes global edits very fast. If you want to change something on only one part of the animation, simply click on a specific frame inside the timeline panel. After selecting that frame, you can modify layers, move objects, or add elements that will only appear in that specific frame. This is useful if you want text to appear at a certain moment, or if you want to adjust part of the animation without affecting the rest of the GIF. Take a moment to preview your animation by pressing the play button in the timeline panel to make sure everything looks the way you want. Once you're happy with your edits, the final step is exporting the GIF correctly. Go to File, then Export, and choose Save for Web, also known as Save for Web Legacy. In the Export window, make sure the format is set to GIF. You can also adjust colors, looping settings, and file size if needed. When everything looks good, click Save and choose where you want the GIF to be stored on your computer. Photoshop will export your edited animation as a brand new GIF file, and that's how you edit a GIF in Photoshop quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Photoshop and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.